Hello guys, I'm Kenton. So we're currently doing a vlog for 7 days. So we're going to decide what to take to go to the hotel. It's currently 4:42 at Singapore. So yeah. We're just going to wait here. Maybe play some games of Brawl Stars. I don't know. Hey, I kind of want to make some challenges for 7 days. Today's just day 1. So feel free to put down your thoughts on the challenges. You can recommend me what to do. I'm fine with that. So I'm going to tell you guys the plan. So okay, we're going. 炸燒賣. Wow. So for day 2 tomorrow we're going to a zoo, 2 zoos, and then for day after we're going to Malaysia. 4th day also, 5th day also. 6th day we're going to the Universal. The 7th day we're going to the mall. That's a very popular mall here. Yeah. Oh. Looks like I don't know. 咁答咩啊？ Okay, we're taking a taxi. I fell all over. We're about to go. Say hi. Hello. That's my mom. My dad's just making the luggage, so he's very busy. I'll update you guys at the hotel, so see you guys there.